We're on Reddit. And here we got equivalent point 953 with a 2-year lock update. 2 years in and they're looking fantastic. Loving the big Congo on the side here. Loving how these locks have joined up. 2 into 1. And he's at the 2-year mark. So he's got lots of room to grow. You can even see some length happening on the back here as well. I can definitely see that the sun has been changing the color of these locks over time. I think he's on a righteous path here. The video I made of my semi-freeforms a week ago. Freeform locks looking sick from the back. Whoa. Yo, he's got some mad style going on here. Look at the way these locks shake at the back. Definitely can tell that there's a lot of form. These things are matured quick. Now he says they're semi-freeform, so maybe he's separating a bit. Maybe he did a little bit of root maintenance somewhere. I can't really tell from this video alone. I would love to know in the comment section, Dreadhead, if you are watching. Comfortable ad. It's been a while since he's posted. Blessings and big ups for the return. Locks looking righteous in the sunlight. A lot of length going on here. And notice the amount of flat locks that are present on these locks. Blunted tips. Definitely has some sun changing of the color, some sun dye, some sun bleaching. Looking dope. And you know, one thing I do look for when I'm looking at these pictures is debris, buildup, dandruff on the shirts of people, and I don't see any on his locks, so he's definitely keeping them very clean. Loving it. Yo, not sure how long, but it's been about 3 years. These are looking insane. He's got so much volume on the top of his head. He's got a lot of frizzy hair, loose hair, and even gray hairs coming in too. Looking cool here in the top bun. Looking like they've been cleaned up a little bit in this photo. But then in this photo, it looks like there's no work being done. So I'm just curious, is he semi-freeforming or is it a full freeform? Loving them either way. Keep it up. It's been a while since my last post, 8 months in and we Congoing up. Sick. I wonder where the Congos are coming in. I see some here, like 2 buds split into 1. Some thicker locks coming in at the back of his head as well. Ras DC, man. Keep it growing. These locks are looking fantastic. Yo, tempted to cut. Some folks say I won't get employed in South Africa with freeform locks. You can't believe what just some folks will say. There is, of course, a lot of stereotypes out there and naysayers that are gonna try and put you down for things that they have no reason to do. The best you can do here is apply yourself, learn a skill that's valuable, and supply that to an industry where it won't matter what your hair looks like because you'll have the skills of the trade to be able to get the job done. So definitely reevaluate what sort of job it is you're looking for in South Africa. And just remember that if your hair isn't fitting in at all, with more time it will as they get longer. And also consider just covering your hair up at any job that might be offended by some beautiful freeform locks such as yourself. So, best of luck. Big up South Africa. 1 year in March. The gray locks. Loving the gray locks. Definitely shows patience. It definitely shows commitment. And big ups to those that are rocking their natural hair color, not messing with the dyes and the bleaches. Our natural color is what's best for us. Yo, crazy. What? That's a maxed out Congo for sure. Let that grow in. Those are mad fun to see change and develop over the years. Very similar to what I had done with my locks. And I ended up cutting off the fingertips of those Congoed locks, ultimately giving myself thicker freeform locks and maxing out my lock thickness. Those are fantastic, bro. 6-month semi-freeform dread, mostly just palm rolled when hair started to knot. Interesting semi-freeforms with the palm roll technique. I'm loving how these locks are not similar in shape at all. They've got different bunches and loops and kinks going on here, really creating a unique set of locks for himself. I think that you're on a great path. These locks are definitely going to come in a lot bigger and thicker and more righteous over the years, so just keep at it. 100%, bro. Do you want to be a good boy or you want to be a fucking lion? So this is a shot of his locks versus traditional shaved head. And I can say that definitely the locks bring out way more charisma, characteristics, personality, flair. We are lions. We are lions. Oh shit. What's good, beautiful souls? Wish you a blissful week ahead. Just wanted to tap in. Me after taking off my 2-strand twists. So we got some curly, crinkly locks going on here. Looking dope. I love the seashells you've got put in there as well. I love the curls on the end of your locks. So these are definitely going to be like retwisted locks. Put into a 2-strand twist and then let down. Given that 2010 Lil Wayne vibe. And last but not least here, we got 1 year, 11 months on the freeforms. 3rd and 4th slide was taken after towel rubbing for 3 weeks. So nearly 2 years, and we can see some big Congos coming on the side. Nice uniform locks on the top with no manipulation and no parts being shown on the scalp. And then these were the beginning stages when he was just towel rubbing. So we can see that the towel rub turns into the freeform locks pretty well. Pretty well. Looks like he's pretty young too, so I appreciate him having some locks at a younger age, freeform style specifically. Damn. Looking great, fam. I appreciate everyone that dropped by and posted their pictures on Reddit here today. We just hit 3,000 members. That's a good milestone. Appreciate everybody for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time.